Hello everyone, welcome to follow Huazhen Fastener. This is Andre. Today we will have a detailed introduction about ring shank coil roofing nail. The ring shank coil roofing nail, as the name implies, a nail used for installing the roofing. It's a common choice for construction projects, like installing water resistance drywall and tailbacker board in bathrooms. The most obvious feature is the large height, which is larger and flatter than the others. Because of this feature, it's much suitable for holding down roofing felt and roofing shingles without tearing through the material. In addition, it also can help to prevent water from seeping in. Some roofing nails have a smaller rubber or plaster washer under the head. This adds another layer of waterproofing to the nail. On the other hand, roofing coil nails have a larger nail height, and they are usually made of galvanized steel, which are strong. Because of this, it's good for fastening shingles in areas with strong winds. For more content, please follow the next video.